Okay, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we are going to discuss about the solution for the last quiz that we had, which is as follows. In this quiz, we ask you to develop a ladder logic system for a parking lot system with following conditions. For example, when it hits the full capacity of the parking lot, which is 500, it should be able to turn on a red light. If it is more than 50% occupancy but less than total occupancy, then it should hit the yellow light. And if more than 50% of the parking lot, more than 50% of the capacity is empty, then it should turn on a green light. And also, you cannot use any counter for this purpose. You have to use basically adder circuit. So I have already created the solution in the simulation window. Let us quickly discuss this solution. So basically, this is our solution. Okay, so this is in the simulation mode already. So you have an entry sensor and an exit sensor. So entry sensor is connected in the gantry of the entry gate, and exit is at the exit gantry attached. So when a car goes into the parking lot, we use this entry sensor. When any car leaves the parking lot, we use this exit sensor to trigger this addition and subtraction. And to do the addition and subtraction only for one time, we use one short register as follows here, as you can see here. So it is already, I have shown that it is now in the 9, because I'm not using 500, I'm using only 10 for simulation purpose. So it is the total capacity is 10, so it is now in 9, so it should be turning on the yellow light, as you can see. So because it is within the 50% to 100%. Now let's say I toggle it again, so it is now hitting 10, so you can see this red light is now turned on. Now let's say the car starts to leave, and we are going down by one. So you can see here it is reducing, the number is reducing, it is now 7. Let's say if it is less than 5, then it is now yellow. As you can see, it is yellow. If it is less than 5, it will be green. If you see here, it is now 5, so 5 is still yellow. But if it is less than 5, which is more than 50% is empty, so it is now green. And I use limit block to check whether it is 50% to 100%, so it is yellow. And I use equal block to check if it hits the highest limit, which is 10 in this case. But in your actual solution, you have to put 500. So this is the solution, and you don't need any reset, because after you see the car park is full, no car will enter the parking lot system. So this is the solution. Hope it was helpful. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.